Hey everyone, it's Nate with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where I do a fair bit of work using aluminum extension ladders. I happen to use the Werner brand. I've been happy with it. I'm also happy with the Werner standoff brackets. I've spoken about these in a previous video. What I'm not happy with is the Werner brand end caps that go on these brackets. Now, obviously, these are meant to go on that aluminum standoff so that whatever you're leaning the ladder up against isn't damaged by the aluminum. That's a big deal in my business, especially because I'm dealing a lot with cedar siding, cedar roofing. Cedar is very easily damaged by a harder material such as aluminum. The last thing I want to do is leave a scratch or a gouge on a property I'm working on. If you've used these as I have, then you've found that, first of all, this bumper falls off the standoff very easily. Second of all, even though they have this little aluminum insert, it always seems to be a short amount of time until the aluminum bracket, which is basically almost a square tubing, is poking out on a sharp edge right through this rubber. Again, that's no good because it's going to damage the siding or the roofing that I'm working on. So this year, happily, I became aware that there's a better solution. I have previously tried to address this issue using cut up tennis balls in a half dome shape stuck over the end of the bracket, but these are both better. What I've got here is, first of all, these yellow ones are from a company called Soft Touch Safety Solutions. These red ones are from No Bull. And I'll link to this stuff in my video description here. But because this interests me, what I did was I got a pair of both, and I used both for about 4 months in the second half of my cleaning season. What I wanted to share real quickly and briefly is that they're both significantly better than the Werner product. So these are going to go right in the dumpster. Both of these are better. They're more protective. They last longer, etc. However, between these two, the clear winner in my book is the No Bull. The reason being, No Bulls stay on so much better, so much better. These, unfortunately, many times throughout each workday, I'd be either setting the ladder down and I'd find that, oh, this thing's bouncing off, rolling down the driveway, or it's getting stuck in a gutter, son of a or it's brushing up against a tree limb as I'm transporting it around the yard, and the tree limb just pulls it right off. So these, although they're a good attempt, they're just not nearly so good as these. So from now on, only thing I'm buying or recommending is the No Bull brand stabilizer bumpers. And I'll try to link to that in the description of this video. I hope that helps somebody somewhere, and I hope you're well. Bye for now.